In this problem, we are given f of s here. We are given this function, this equation with it. We need to find the initial value of f of t for this f of s, and then we need to plug 0 into it, because t is equal to 0, and then we will find this answer. Now, after that, we need to find the final value of f of t for our f of s, and the final value is when t is approaching infinity. So first we're going to make a general equation f of t, and then we are going to deal with these two separate cases. So with differential equation, we can set this equal to a divided by, we have s plus 1 plus b divided by s plus 2 plus c divided by s plus 3. So this is going to be our equation. I'm then going to multiply both sides by s plus 1, s plus 2, and s plus 3, just looking like this. And after I do that, we get rid of the denominators, and then we're going to have to solve for a, b, and c. In solving for a, b, and c, we're going to get these values. Our a should be 3, our b should be 6, and our c should be 9. So now we're going to plug these values back into our equation. We are going to have a 3 divided by s plus 1, and then we are going to have a plus 6 divided by s plus 2, and lastly a plus 9 divided by s plus 3. And this is still all equal to our f of s. So how do we convert this now into our f of t? Well, if we look at the notes linked below the like button, section 12.4, function transforms, we are given a table 12.1. And in this table, we can see that we are able to use e raised to the negative a of t, and this is for f of t, is equal to 1 divided by s plus a. So this is our f of t to the f of s form. Since we want to convert to the f of t, we're going to be making our equation now look like this. So we're going to do this down here. To convert our f of s that we have up here to our f of t, we are first going to set f of t equal to, we're going to have a 3 times an e negative t plus a 6 times an e negative 2t plus a 9 times an e to the negative 3t. And we're going to rewrite this because it's clearer to see it this way. We're going to have f of t is equal to 3 divided by et plus 6 divided by e 2t plus 9 divided by e 3t. So that is how our new equation is going to look. For part A, we'll do in gray, and we are going to plug 0 into all of these because our t is equal to 0. If we do this, everything to the 0 power is just 1. So this is going to be a 3 plus 6 plus 9. And we know 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18. So for A, we have 18 as our answer. Now for part 2, we will do in blue. And t is not infinity because we can't be infinity, but it's approaching infinity. Well, for all of these, we have some number divided by, it's a small number too, so let's just say number subscript s for small. And it's divided by e to the infinity. And we know e to the infinity is equal to some number big. And we know if we have a big number underneath a small number, we are going to get something super close to 0 when we divide it. So that means this is equivalent, we can say, to 1 over infinity. And we know 1 over infinity is approximately 0. So we will rewrite this as 0, but we can say equal to 0 because it's so close to 0. So 0 is going to be your answer for part B. And that is how you go about converting and solving this problem.